Rack Shop is proud to present this 2019 Honda Odyssey with the factory installed raised side rail. We've just installed the Yakima JetStream TimberLine base roof rack system. So this consists of the JetStream load bar, 60 inches in length, and the TimberLine towers, which come in a set of 4. Locks are available as an option, not required, but they are available separately. Overall, you have a max crossbar spacing of about 52 inches and overall weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed between the 2 crossbars. So perfect rack for maybe a cargo box or kayaks or bikes. Lots of different accessories available for this rack system. So this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase the complete system with a couple of clicks, visit the link in the description below. So that's gonna be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.